Hey everybody, I am Kim Evans, beauty and business coach and holistic wellness educator here. Today, I am going to share with you on how to make your own shots. You know how expensive these shots are in the store, and if you got them every single day, the price adds up. But guess what? I'm going to show you how you can actually holistically, nutritionally, and very simply, low cost, make natural shots yourself. And I'm going to share with you how you can make two of the most popular shots, which is your ginger shot with lemon, and then also I'm going to do a green juice shot just right here. You get these little bottles, you can order these bottles over Amazon, and let's get right to it. I'm so excited to share with you how to make your own shots. All right, let's get started. So we're going to start with shots. This is a 2-ounce shot glass. I actually just got these on Amazon. Very, very simple. Make sure that they're glass. And I got 12 of them. So I'm going to make a ginger, turmeric, and lemon juice shot. And then I'm also going to do a green juice shot. I am elated because this is my first time ever making my own shots. I normally buy them every day. So you want to make sure that you have fresh. So we're going to start off with some fresh spinach. I'm going to start out with some wheat grass. I'm going to also have a bunch of parsley. You won't use that much. And then actually we're going to also use 2 lemons here. And then to actually, with the ginger, I'm going to have 2 pounds of ginger. Yeah, I'm going to start about 2 pounds of ginger because I want to make it depends on how much comes out of here because I'm experimenting. It's my first time. I might end up doing 6 shots, 8, or I might end up doing the full 12. It just depends on how much come out. But I'm excited because the health benefits to when you create your own shots and the nutrition value. The lemons are always good because they have the vitamin B and they have the vitamin C. We're getting ready to come into flu season, and so if you can make your own shots, so just say you made them, like I'm making mine on this one day. You can actually do food prepping. I'm making mine on a Saturday. They're going to last probably 3 days, but since I'm doing so many, I'm probably going to get through about 5 days. So with the lemon is good for vitamin B and calcium, magnesium, and also for potassium. So that's why you want to use your lemons. The ginger also contains potassium, but it has the vitamin B, magnesium, and the C, of course. And then we're going to kick in some turmeric in here. That also has anti-inflammatory properties, but also to calcium, vitamin C. So there it is. You're getting your calcium, vitamin C, magnesium, and everything is anti-inflammatory with the ginger. Okay. Now, the wheatgrass contains, and the spinach, because we're going to do wheatgrass and spinach. So the wheatgrass contains nutrients that support your health, but also you can put them in smoothies, but I'm going to do this in a cold press because we're going to make some shots. So the reason why I like this, because this is the blood tonifier. Can you say blood tonifier right here? Chlorophyll helps to cleanse the blood. It also has vitamins and minerals, and it also has fiber in it. And we know that fiber helps with digestion, right? It helps with digestion, and it helps to relieve constipation, is your wheat grass. So even if you're going to a jumbo juice or something like that, always make sure you get a wheatgrass shot back. Like you're going out and you're having a drink and you get a water back, but you always want to get a wheatgrass shot back. So whenever you go to a juice company, jumbo juice or something like that, this is just a side way, always make sure you get a wheatgrass shot. Okay, so that's good. Again, it helps with the fiber, digestion, relieve constipation, but it just helps your whole stomach. It's gut loving. The spinach, which is thebomb.com, because it also has chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a blood tonifier, helps to cleanse the blood, reduces inflammation, heart disease, which a friend of mine is a mother just passed with heart disease. You guys, heart disease is still the #1 killer within women. We want to prevent that. So you also want to eat those fruits and vegetables that also give you a clean heart, right? Reduce the inflammation. So this is really, really good. Eating spinach and parsley. Parsley is a liver lover. So I always make any kind of juice and I'm going to top it with the parsley. But let me get back to the spinach. It has this thing called thylakoids in it, and it's a compound, and again, that also helps to reduce in body weight. So that's another, look at all these health benefits that you get when you're making your own shots. So not only that, y'all, but these serve as prebiotics, compounds in fresh juice that feed bacteria in the gut. And what do we want to do? We want to be gut loving and support good gut health. All of this supports good gut health, right? Reduces inflammation. You always want to eat foods and drink juices that's going to reduce inflammation. Makes you look younger. It adds to the age-related mental decline, right? So when you feed your brain with these foods that help with reducing inflammation. Okay, so look at all these beautiful nutrients. So continue to continue. Let me also tell you that it also aids in absorption. So you want to be able to, when you eat or drink your macronutrients, that you want to be able to have those nutrients that help you with absorption for healthy blood cells, reduce inflammation, and supporting the immune system, and maintaining what? To gorgeous, healthy skin. All right, so these bottles, you can get these on Amazon. This is fantastic. All right, so let's get started to make our shots. This is Kim Evans. Bye for now.